If you love skincare gadgets but dislike needles, microcurrent might just be your thing. Let's see if this electric beauty trend is worth the buzz. Microcurrent devices are having a major moment right now. Think of them as a gym session for your face. They use tiny electrical pulses, way less than a phone charger, to mimic your body's natural signals. The magic? These micro-zaps target muscles under your skin. Home devices use microcurrent radio frequency, RF, or LED light to stimulate collagen, tighten skin, and reverse aging signs. Microcurrent mimics cellular energy, ATP. Radio frequency heats collagen to 40-45 degrees Celsius for remodeling, and LED boosts fibroblast activity. What does research say? Used regularly, microcurrent can improve cheekbone structure, a gentle lift, and help with puffiness. No needles, no downtime. But it's not a miracle. Effects are subtle, and there's a risk of burns if used improperly. Results can fade if not sustained. And if you have a pacemaker, are pregnant, or have certain medical conditions like epilepsy, it's a no-go. So, is it worth zapping your face for? Paired with sunscreen and smart skincare, it could be a game change. Remember, there's no magic shortcut. Would you try microcurrent for that sculpted look? Comment.